morning. Today is day 3 in Cochrane, and today we are going to go to polar bear habitat, and from there we will travel to Timmins, that is the birthplace of Tim Hortons. So that's the basic plan for today. And as you can see or you can hear, there are so many snowmobiles are parked here. So basically Cochrane is known for its well manicured and well maintained snowmobile ice trails. So a lot of people travel here to do snowmobiling. Unfortunately or fortunately, it is not very commercialized sport here in Cochrane. So amateurs like you and me won't be able to rent any snowmobiles here. So you have to own your own snow machine. You can bring it over here and then you can enjoy the snow. So if possible, we will try to catch up with some of the snowmobilers and try to shoot some of the things. So let's see, that depends on the availability. So see you at the polar bear habitat. So breakfast is done. Now we are going to polar bear habitat. See you there. So we have arrived at polar bear habitat center, and there is Snowmobile museum as well. So let's explore that. Let's go. They have named polar bears, like first one is Ganuk, then there is Henry, and there is Inukshuk, and they have every information, like it's a male, it was born in December 2002, Henry was born in Australia, May 2013, Ganuk 2009, male, and people have also given greeting cards to them, which are displayed over here. So they have a small informative documentary here on polar bear. So we will watch that and then we will go to Toronto.
For summer camping, there is a stopping place for villagers traveling further north from Mosonee on the shores of Transvaal. The town of Cochrane was founded during the building of the Transcontinental Railway in 1907. It became an important junction for railway traffic across Canada in various directions. The environmental impacts and challenges that are occurring due to climate change. Scientists have just recently begun to understand the environment.
all of these are rescued bears. They are rescued from the wild and they are kept here, and people study about them. This is total like 25 acres of sanctuary for them. It's not a zoo, it's an habitat. So they roam around freely here and there. If you are into snowmobiles, this is the place you need to visit. They have collection of all old classic vintage snowmobiles they have kept over here, as you can see. You can literally see how snowmobiles were evolved. Amazing collection. Now this is a fascinating machine. It's called a Big Al. You can see that. Crazy, right? They have 4 engines. This is 1937-39 Bombardier B12. They also have SnowRunner Chrysler model. It's like a small scooty, snow scooty. And they have all kinds of snowmobiles. This yellow collection is by Bombardier Skidoos. Now it's time to say goodbye to Mosonee and Cochrane. We are heading back to civilization, that is Toronto. So it will take around 8 hours to travel there. And then yeah, normal office, back to routine. So see you there. Bye bye Inukshuk and Henry. Bye. Now we are going to Timmins, that is the birthplace of Tim Hortons, and we will be doing a tractor ride there. So see you at Timmins. another eventful day ends here. Today we saw polar bears, we saw elks, moose, and all sorts of animals. It was a fantastic day.